Greetings, neighbor. I've got to share something with you. I found a groundbreaking change in home buying, the possibility to self-direct your home loan. Trust me, after using this, I can't imagine returning to the old complicated ways. This is the epitome of user-friendliness, speed, and simplicity. I chose Members Direct Home Loans, and I can honestly say the savings I experienced were staggering. Initially, I thought getting a home loan would be a long-winded, paperwork-heavy ordeal, but I was pleasantly surprised. Members Direct Home Loan empowered me to make the decisions that suited my situation the best, including rate and term. The process was so straightforward and fast, it felt like magic. All this is thanks to an efficient digital process powered by advanced AI. All you have to do is click the button below to get started. They've simplified everything, eliminating the paperwork mountain completely. I managed to save a significant amount. So much so that I was taken aback when I saw the numbers. Listen, this is the future of home buying. Forget all about the complications and endless waiting. This goes out to everyone planning to buy a new home, especially those who are self-employed, have bad credit, or those looking for a zero down payment option. Consider Members Direct Home Loans and their self-directed approach. It's a total revolution. Efficient, simple, and you save tons of money. Don't pass on this fantastic opportunity to save significantly. I promise you'll thank yourself later. Just click the button below to get started. So if you want a process that's fast, simple, and offers incredible savings, even for bad credit home loans, self-employed home buyers, or zero down payment situations, Members Direct Home Loans self-directed home loan is undeniably your best bet. Explore the Members Direct Home Loans process today. Claim your dream home. I can vouch you'll have no regrets. So I urge you, dive in and start packing for your upcoming move. With Members Direct Home Loans self-directed loan process, you'll discover just how accessible your new home can be, regardless of your credit situation or employment status. Believe me, once you go this route, there's no turning back. Click the button below to get started.